Boys in sky, ready to ride.
Yeah, so we all got to hanging out as a group. You know, I always had barbecues at my house. You know, I was smoking a lot of meats back then, you know. But yeah, after a few years of hanging out and riding together, you know, it was all cool and all. But about 2010, 2011, we all kind of lost touch. I kind of, you know, went away for a while, and then when I came back in 2016, when I came back around in 2016, somehow we just kind of ran into each other again at, you know, a big celebration at a party. And she was asking me for like barbecue advice and tips and stuff. And one time I kind of just guided her through grilling a chicken. And really just became love after that. And the rest is history, you know. Sky and I, we've been together for 8 years now. We've got a beautiful family together. Prior to moving up here to Oklahoma, we had a landscaping company up until she was about 8 months pregnant, when I had to do all the work by myself, and then that became too much. And then we decided to elevate the barbecue game a little bit and do it for a living. The barbecue food trailer was thriving. It was doing pretty well. But then COVID happened, and we weren't allowed to go out and sell food anymore. Okay guys, I'm pulling up at work here. What time is it? I'm gonna have to get back to y'all after I get off work or something. Alright. Shup. Alrighty, y'all, it's the end of my shift now. Gearing up, getting ready to go home. Stick around. Alrighty. Hopping on the bike. Getting ready to roll. Oh man, hopefully I haven't been talking to the camera all by myself. You know, I don't know what the camera got, but I hate it when it does this. It stopped recording on me. I don't know what I need to cover, but how did we end up in Oklahoma from Texas? Well, when Sky and I first got together, she had been visiting her brother frequently here in Lawton, Oklahoma. And you know, I was coming with her on a few trips. And after COVID happened, we had lost everything: our home, our business. You know, we were stuck. And luckily for us, Sky's brother Albert took us in. We were able to get back on our feet, and we now own another business called Smoky Bites. That's SMOKIE Bites. And we sell your everyday snacks, but they've been smoked. They're put into an offset smoker like you would with ribs or brisket. And really enhances the flavor, changes it up. You can find our products here locally in Lawton at a few retail locations, or you can see us every Saturday at the Lawton Farmers Market from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Sky is now a graphic designer. She does a lot of nonprofit work, and she helps out a lot of small businesses here in town. I still work, of course. Y'all seen where I work, and you know, I I do all of our YouTube filming, editing. I had a background in music production, so I do all of our music as well. And yeah, the kids love it. You know, we're trying to make this BlazeNSky and Smoky Bites a major family thing. Yeah, I don't know about y'all, but I really miss my family. We miss each other a lot, and we're trying to do everything we can to spend every minute with each other. Life is short, so this is our goal, to just be together full time. Me not having to go to work or anything like that, you know. Yeah, so my whole idea with this YouTube is like more like a video diary. You know, our kids are always on their phones or their tablets and devices all the time anyway. Nobody looks at, you know, photo albums and stuff like that anymore. They're always on YouTube, so it was only right that I started a YouTube and, you know, put our memories out there. They'll look back and see, you know, all the fun that we've had, all of our memories. Good memories, I hope. Nothing but good memories. And it's been fun. It's been a fantastic journey. So yeah, what I wanted it for, just something to be remembered by. You know, photo albums could get lost and burnt down in the house and stuff. YouTube is gonna be forever, for generations to come. You know, our family, our kids and grandkids will be able to look back on this and hopefully be influenced and motivated by it all. You know, we want to be an inspiration to all. Oh, yeah, thank you all for sticking with us, following our journey. We do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It sure does help us out a lot. YouTube isn't our full-time gig, so, but we do enjoy doing this. Oh, I haven't done many wheelies, have I? I've just been doing nothing but a lot of talking. Here's one. This stupid camera keeps cutting off. I don't know what the problem is. I keep talking to myself. I look down, I see that the light isn't red anymore. What the hell? So, I'm just gonna ride a wheelie.